I'm sure you didn't know this trick before. Take a laundry dryer sheet and place 1 tablespoon of rice on it. Rice works great in closets because it absorbs moisture, preventing mold and unpleasant odors. Next, spray the rice with your favorite fragrance or essential oil. Fold the edges of the sheet and secure them with a rubber band to create a small sachet. Place it among your clothes in a drawer. Your clothes will have a fresh scent, and your wardrobe will smell delightful every time you open it. My apartment smells so beautifully that you can even smell it in the hallway. It's a scent of cleanliness and flowers. No store-bought diffuser is as effective. Want your home to smell exceptionally beautiful too? All you need is 1 small container. Pour ordinary baking soda into it. Add 2 tablespoons of these little balls. They are scented laundry pearls. They have an extraordinary aroma. Mix them with the soda in the container. Take some baby oil and pour 2 tablespoons into the container. Mix everything again. The oil will activate the pearls and release their scent. Now you can add another ingredient. If you have your favorite essential oil, you can add a few drops to your homemade diffuser. But you can also add a few cloves instead, place them on top, or arrange them in a circle as I do. A few pieces are enough. Finally, add the sticks. Now, the whole thing looks beautiful. You can place such a diffuser anywhere you like. You'll feel like you're in a real spa. You'll always have a fragrant home. When the diffuser stops working, just make another one. Its cost is not high, but the effect is amazing. My home smells wonderful, and everyone asks for my secret. This beautiful scent fills the entire house. Most people buy scented sachets from stores, but they only last a few days. It's much better to try this trick with a small box. First, find a small plastic container with a lid. Pour 4 tablespoons of rice into the container to enhance the scent. Then add 2½ caps of fabric softener. Mix everything thoroughly to create a uniform mixture. Next, take a heated fork or skewer and poke several holes in the lid. Try to make as many holes as possible. These holes will allow the beautiful scent to escape over a long period. You can place this box anywhere, in your coat or shoe closet to freshen the smell. You can easily make another box for a different room and place it wherever you want. This delightful fragrance will be noticeable throughout your home. Pour this liquid on panty liners and see how fantastically it works. If you have regular panty liners or thin, small pads, use them. Pads and panty liners are essential for the personal hygiene of every woman. They are absorbent and don't leak, which makes them useful for other purposes. Take 1 panty liner and cut it in half with scissors, just like I do in the video. Spread them out on a table or countertop. Take your favorite fabric softener and pour a small amount into a measuring cup. Pour it over both pieces of the liner. Pour just enough so that it soaks into the pad without dripping. Now, remove the paper covering the sticky part of the liner. Take the liner and open your wardrobe. Here's where we'll use our fabric softener-soaked liner. Stick the liner to the side wall of the wardrobe. Stick the other half on the opposite side. This makes an excellent wardrobe freshener. Thanks to these liners, your wardrobe will have the pleasant scent of fresh laundry. You can easily make another freshener when this one stops working. Your home will smell for 3 days and the 3 nights. Even the neighbors will catch a whiff of it. To prepare these fragrant bowls, we need 3 lemons. Cut off the end of the citrus so it can stand. Then cut it into quarters without slicing all the way through. Prepare each lemon differently, and each one will have a different purpose for a specific room in the house. Lay out the first fruit and place it in a bowl. Sprinkle it generously with salt. The next ingredient will be rubbing alcohol. Pour in 1 teaspoon. It acts as a carrier of the scent and is essential for preparing the first mixture. Let us know in the comments which city you're watching us from. Next, prepare the second lemon. Pour 1 tablespoon of salt into it. It has moisture-absorbing properties. Take your favorite laundry detergent. Pour 1/3 of the cap onto the salt and the lemon. Their scents will mix, creating a pleasant aroma of fresh laundry. Towards the end of the video, I'll show you which bowl to place in each room for the best effect. Sprinkle salt on the 3rd lemon as well. Then take a few cloves. They have an intense scent with practical applications. Place the lemon with cloves near the entrance doors and on the terrace. It will repel insects, flies, and pests thanks to its strong scent. Additionally, it smells delightful. Put the bowl with laundry detergent in the bathroom. Thanks to it, a pleasant scent of fresh laundry will linger for 3 days. It can replace air freshener spray. Finale. Place the last bowl next to the bed. Citrus aromatherapy aids in falling asleep. The scent of citrus positively affects the brain, potentially improving concentration. Moreover, lemon essential oil supports the treatment of anxiety and depressive symptoms. Preparing these bowls is easy, and they have a beautiful scent with practical applications in the home. This will save you from moths. Take a wet baby wipe and place it on a board. Then, grab some rice grains, as rice is a great scent carrier and absorbs moisture, preventing mold in your closet. Place a spoonful of rice on the wipe and choose your favorite perfume or essential oils. Spray the rice grains with the scent. Fold the wipe over the rice and tie the ends with string or a rubber band, creating a small scented pouch. Repeat the trick with different scents to create a variety of aromas for your closet. Place these small pouches in your wardrobe, on shelves, or in drawers. They will protect your clothes from moths, and the lovely fragrance will last for a long time. After a few days, when the scent fades, replace the pouches with new ones to keep your wardrobe fresh. You can also experiment with different scents to find the perfect combination for your closet. I saw a paper towel in my friend's cupboard. When I learned the reason, I also put it there. It has a brilliant use. A paper towel is always needed in the kitchen. We want to have it always at hand. We often keep it without a rack so that we can place it, for example, against the wall on the countertop when preparing something. Then you can always reach for it and tear off a piece or two. Other times it may be on the cupboard because someone just left it there. Some prefer to have it by the sink because there's always something to wipe. I don't know where you keep the paper towel, but have you ever seen a paper towel in the cupboard? Yes, in the cupboard. Not in the living room or bedroom, but in the kitchen cupboard. For example, in the one holding glasses and mugs. It's not there without reason. Surely you know that when doing something in the kitchen, you always have one hand occupied. When you want to wipe something, you try to tear off pieces of the paper towel with just one hand. The other one is either busy or dirty. That's why sometimes there are stains on the paper towel. But when you place it in the cupboard, you can use it and tear off individual sheets without any problem. And it's always at hand. Another place might be the drawer. If there's space for paper towels in it, you can also use it in the same way. It's always at hand and easy to tear off its pieces. You don't need a paper towel rack. A kitchen cupboard or drawer is enough.